Hey gang, y'all, welcome back to the Roadhouse. Gonna do a little quick cook today. Something you don't find too often, but man, they're pretty darn tasty. We got some what they call your country beef ribs there. That's just boneless. Man, check them out, y'all. Just boneless beef ribs, man. You know, and you know we got to have sausage at the Roadhouse. Been cooking a lot of the connecue. I'm glad y'all guys are finding that stuff out there. This Polk's sausage. Good stuff, man. If y'all got like a local Sam's Club or something like that, that's where you can find that in bulk. Good stuff, man. Good stuff. So what we're going to do, gang, I'm going to hit these with a little bit of our Fiesta rubs. Uncle Chris's gourmet steak seasoning. And that's good stuff, y'all. That is really good stuff. So we're going to hit this a little bit. Y'all come over here and let's see. Right quick. Y'all come down here and let's look. Get a little stuff on our country beef ribs. So basically, you know, look at all the goodness in there, man. You got onions, garlic, pepper, salt, parsley, and all kind of good stuff in there. And the trick is, you let that marinate a little while. Make sure you get all four sides. You know, that's beef. Don't be scared to put no seasoning on that, man. You know, and I do have Oklahoma Joe outside getting hot. That is just good stuff, y'all. Yes, I did wash my hands. And our bacterial and all that neat stuff. So, alright. That's that, y'all. Just some nice looking ribs, man. Look at that. Big fat one. That's for moonshine. Alright, gang. We got that going. It smells good already, y'all. And what I'm gonna grab a couple of potatoes and throw them on the grill too. So, while that's marinating, we're waiting on the grill. We'll let that beef get happy and we'll be back in a minute. Alright, y'all, it's tater time. So just take, you know, regular old russet right there. Stabbed a bunch of holes in it with my knife there. I'm just going to put a little bit of this steakhouse seasoning on there. Wrap that dude up just like that. Looks good? Looks good. Y'all want to see another? I don't have no sense, and I know that. It's all about the fun in cooking, y'all. So, I did wash my potatoes and everything, guys. I figured, you know, heck, why not? Put some of this junk on there. Maybe it'll soak in. We're going to see if we can taste a little bit of it. Here's that. And yes, these are going on the grill. Oklahoma Joe makes some good grilled baked potatoes there. So, alright. We'll go out and check the grill. We'll be getting close, y'all. We'll be back. Alright, y'all, welcome back. Got the Joe coming up to temp. Got our taters put on there, and check this out, man. My buddy at work actually cut down a pecan tree, so he was nice enough to cut me some little logs and stuff. So I got a bunch this size, and that probably lasts me for a good little while. But anyway, taters are on. We rolling. We'll check back in a little bit. All right, y'all. It's been about 40 minutes. Let's check these taters, man. I'm about right at 350. It was about 375. I just cracked the lid, but let's see what we got, y'all. I'm still gonna hold my hands. Oh yeah, yes indeed. So what we're gonna do, y'all? Let's flip these over. Yeah, buddy. Oh, Joe, you go, Joe. Love this smoker, y'all. That fresh pecan wood. Alright, you won't be difficult? We'll turn your butt this way. How about that? Now, sucker. Oh yeah, man. In good shape. Alright, let's get this lid back down. Let's go inside and grab our meat and we'll be back. Alright, y'all, we're back. Got our meat going there. I'm gonna take this sausage and yeah, baby. Talk to me, sweet lips. And yes, those taters are hot. Oh, that's smelling good. Gosh, it smells good, y'all. Alright, gang, let's get the lid closed. And get us some good dinner going. We'll be back. Boy, 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 y'all look at that. I went kicking again today. Look at that. Nice, huh? See what we got, y'all. Ooh, lordy. Now that stuff is looking good, y'all. Oh yeah, them taters are done, man. One thing about doing taters on the grill, put them on at least an hour before you're ready to eat, because you'll be waiting on them. All right, y'all. Let's check our temps on this. On these beef ribs here. Hope they ain't. Whoop! Damn it! 169. Shoot! Overcooked, y'all. God dog it. Hate when I do that. Yep. I'm gonna pull all this off. Time got away. I was inside catching up on videos, man. Looking at my brother T-Roy cooks. Fudge. Alright. Let's pull this stuff off, guys. I'll meet y'all inside. Alright, gang. Y'all welcome back. We have plated up. I went ahead and cut one of these ribs open. And I sure hate that I went over on my temp, but it still look a little juicy. Nice. Look at that smoke ring, y'all. It smells fantastic. That's our sausage here. Big old baked potato, y'all. How you like that, man? Good stuff. So let's put the camera back over here and let's get us a little bite and see how we did. I think we're gonna be in good shape, y'all. Here, use it back there. He wants a little bite. Come on, camera boy. Let's see how we did, gang. I'm gonna take this little piece here. Oh yeah. Not terribly bad. Just a little overdone. For my liking, anyway. See that there? Focus up, camera. There you go. Yeah, I'll come back up here and let's get us a little bite. Come on here, camera boy. Cheers, everybody. Not bad. Nice smoke flavor. And the Uncle Chris's steakhouse seasoning is excellent. It's good on everything, y'all, but really good on beef. Anyway, we're gonna finish our dinner, get out of here. Good little cook, man, nothing extreme. You know, just some little country beef ribs, boneless. Good stuff. If you can find them, try that a little bit. Y'all go find this sausage. Like a couple of my subs, I actually found some of the Q in that, and they tried it and they hooked. So it's seriously, it's like a party in your mouth. It's some of the best sausage I've ever had. Anyway, hey, love y'all. Appreciate all y'all. Y'all have a great weekend. We'll catch y'all next Saturday. Bye bye.